Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use split screen mode in OnePlus Nord CE3 5G smartphone. Okay, to use it, first open an application. Now swipe up with three fingers like this to go in split screen mode. Now open the another application. You can see this is to adjust the size, drag up and down to adjust the size of the screen, and swipe up or down completely to again go in full screen mode. And if we go in recent task, here in top right corner you can see split screen. Tap on split screen to go in split screen mode like this. Now open another app. You can see swipe up or down completely to again go in full screen mode. And if we swipe from left in smart sidebar, just drag an application and release it to go in split screen mode like this. Now open another app. You can see this is to adjust the size of the application, drag up or down, and slide down or slide up completely to again go in full screen mode. So guys, this is the method to use split screen mode in OnePlus Nord CE3 5G smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.